Hello everyone. This is our CNC spinning machine, right here at the customer site. It's mainly used for diameter reduction and necking spinning on the end of copper tubes. The machine has an automatic feeding mechanism, so it can neck the tube ends automatically. Next, we'll show you a video of how this machine works. What you see in the video is a copper pipe with a diameter of 42 millimeters undergoing a necking process. This equipment supports the processing of different pipe diameters and can also handle different necked pipe diameters. All various setting parameters and product recipes can be stored in the equipment's storage system.